Hey everybody, Doug back again at NAB 2019. South Hall is where post-production takes place, and post-production this year has some interesting surprises, so let's go take a look inside. Post-production has a little bit of something for everyone. You got converters, streaming devices, and of course, software to cut your latest video. Blackmagic is always known to have a very big presence at NAB. Now, they've pretty much updated all of their products to support 8K, which in itself is big news. Look at this. You've got 8K screens, controllers, standards converters, everything. If you want to outfit a brand new studio, you know where to go. Oh, right, B&H. DaVinci Resolve will be entering its 16th version. Now, I like to use DaVinci Resolve for coloring. I'm sure many of you do the same exact thing. But the latest version is really touting its editing capabilities. Now, Blackmagic says they borrowed a couple of concepts from the old days of linear editing. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but they claim it speeds up editing, and there's also a brand new cut page in DaVinci Resolve 16 that's supposed to be for much faster deliveries for quick turnarounds. They've also thrown in a lot of AI-assisted tools such as object removal and speed warping, along with auto color matching. Now that's gonna make my life a lot easier, I hope. What's really gonna make my life easier though, and everyone's, are keyboard shortcuts. Now, Blackmagic, of course, has just come out with the DaVinci Resolve Editor keyboard. This thing looks beautiful, I gotta say. There's a jog wheel on it, color-coded keys. This is a lot like, kind of reminds me, again, of linear editing where you actually did have a jog wheel. And it's not that you don't have those on other devices, but this is a really nice, sleek piece of hardware right here. So, I don't know, I might switch. Now, this is something I never thought I'd see in my life, actually. Well, I kind of did now, but when I was a kid, I certainly didn't. They announced this about a month ago from Sandisk. This is a terabyte microSD card. Look at this. This is the 512 right here, but that is tiny. And yet, here's double that. Now also in storage, it's just crazy how much data we have these days. Look at this. A max of 2 gigabytes a second to support 8K and raw 4K video. That's insane. This is Sandisk's first CFExpress card. This is, by the way, the successor to the XQD card. If you have a camera like a Nikon Z7 or a Panasonic S1, S1R, this is what will be supported going forward. And this is what we're going to be using, I guess, to record all those 8K videos. Portable hard drives are a bigger part of my life almost every day, I feel like. I'm shooting a lot of run and gun on the road type stuff, and I imagine there's a lot of you out there who probably need to constantly dump footage. And again, we're talking about high resolutions a lot these days. You're going to need this that goes up to 4 terabytes. This is the Armor ATD, which stands for All-Terrain Drive, rain and dust resistant, with a 1,000-pound crush rating. Should I try that? No, I won't do that. But USB-C ready, it supports both USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 protocols, so if you use this on a Mac or a PC, you're fine either way, which is great as long as you format it the right way. So I'll be the first to admit I'm not an avid editor, but it's great to know that this year at NAB 2019, they've completely redesigned the layout. The UI is brand new, and it's supposed to help learn the program more easily. It's also a lot more organized and clean overall. So you can see that there's an edit, color, effects, and audio panels now. There's also some changes under the hood. There's 32-bit full color support, which ties into the fact that this is the first editor that is ACES certified. And I actually love using ACES. Now, one thing I see on the screen right there is that somebody's actually setting up a project for 16K. That's right. Avid now supports 16K, even though I'm just hearing about 8K. All right, well, that about covers it for post at NAB 2019. If there's anything we missed, let us know in the comments below. This is Doug with B&H. I'll see you next time.